Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're catching this video, is because you want to know how to raise capital for your business without taking out a business loan. But before we dive in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so you know the next time I upload another video. And so if you already subscribed, welcome back to the Money Control TV. So come on, let's dive in. What two things that you can do without taking out a business loan? So I'm going to tell you the two things: save and sell. Save and sell. Save and sell. So let's go ahead and dive in on saving. And so this is why budgeting is so important. And so save something. And so when you do your personal budget, you can insert a line item and you can just have an account just to raise capital for your business. So even if you're saving $20 or $25 a month to move over to an account to raise capital for your business, that is awesome. Also, if you have any type of windfall money, like your bonuses from your 9 to 5, go ahead and move that into that account to raise that capital. If you get a tax return, you can take that tax return money and move it over to that account. Also, if you, go to the casino and you hit the lottery or something like that, go ahead and put that extra money into that account so that you can go ahead and raise capital for your business. And then also, when we talk about savings, if you have any type of cash back from your using your credit cards or things like that, Ibotta, if you go shopping and you get cash back, take that little couple of dollars that you get from cash back and move that over to the account. So that's one way to save without taking out business loans. So the next one is to sell. We're talking about two things: save and sell. So sell, let's go ahead and sell things that's in our house, things that we don't like, we don't use, we don't need, we can't fit. Go ahead and sell it. I love to sell on OfferUp, and so I'm going to put the link to my OfferUp course down in the description box. So, hey, somebody has your money, and so somebody has your capital money to start your business. So I'm thinking about selling on OfferUp, sell on McCarty, sell on eBay, sell on Facebook Marketplace. But hey, you could take that money and put in that account to raise capital for your business. Also, sell your skill set, meaning monetize your skill set. So if you are good at something, don't do it for free. So if you can bake cakes, hey, sell cakes. If you can sing, monetize your skill set. Start singing at weddings and special events like that. And then third, if you have that awesome voice, you can be an MC. So you can sell your services like that. And so again, you're going to sell or you're going to save, or you're going to save, you're going to sell. But these are two things that you can do without taking out a business loans to go ahead and begin your business. This is how you're going to raise capital without taking out a business loan, because you might not have a perfect credit, but you can go into business. And so, hey, start saving and start selling, but do something. And so, hey, drop a comment in the inbox, or drop a comment below and let me know, what are you going to do? You're going to save, or you're going to sell, or you're going to do both? I will see you in the next video. Take care.